Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. All right, so I'm going to prep my lunch for tomorrow. This one's going to be a little bit difficult because I don't really know how, to do the chaffles. There's a pickle one, an onion one, and a mushroom one. I don't really know how to count them. So I'm just not going to count tomorrow. I'm sorry. I just don't really know how to do it. So these are the things that I'm going to be taking for breakfast. I'll have my egg casserole. And I will have my yogurt. So this weekend, what I was going to do is maybe kind of play around with the chaffles a little bit. And figure out how to figure out their macros. So that's my project this weekend, but that's this weekend. So my breakfast is the egg casserole and the blueberry Too Good yogurt. So my lunch is going to be, this is 8 ounces of pork that I put the masala wine on. It's got a half a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and then half a tablespoon of masala. So that's what I make. I made that the other day. So we got to eat some of these things. So that'll be my lunch. Along with the chaffles. And I'm going to toss in some avocado. I don't want this to go bad, so I want to use it. So I'll get a little spoony spoon. And let's get some in here. I'll probably just use a little bit every day until it's all gone, you know. And then avocados were fine. But I think I'll do, please don't get mad. I forgot which one of you said that you buy the little mini avocados from Walmart. That's a much better idea. Because then you got your avocado and you don't have the brown stuff, you know. So, all right, so the avocados and the pork will be lunch, and this is going to be breakfast. And you know I'm going to take some fruit. I'm just going to take one apple tomorrow. This one looks like a pretty good one. I'm going to take this apple tomorrow. Doesn't have a sticker to tell me what kind it is, so I'll just take one. Hold up. My stars, I almost forgot a spoon. We know I need my big shovel spoon. So that's what I'm going to take tomorrow. So I'll put this back in the refrigerator. And yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's time for breakfast. And before I do that, I wanted to say thank you to Mete, Melissa, and Kimberly. Thank you so much for the super stickers. I really appreciate that. You don't have to do that, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I wanted to make sure I thank you directly. So thank you, 3, for those super stickers. I appreciate it. Okay, time for breakfast. I've got my egg casserole and a blueberry yogurt, and that's what I'm having for breakfast tomorrow. Getting back in the routine of my normal things. Well, at least for breakfast, because I got chaffles for lunch, and I don't know nothing about chaffles and how they're going to affect me. I forgot to weigh this morning. Dang it. All right, I'll do it in the morning. Okay, bye. Y'all, it ain't even 10 o'clock yet, and I'm hungry. I'm going to have to chug on the water. I drank about that much from my water jug, but I'm hungry. Ain't no sense in being hungry this early. So that's annoying. But I just wanted to share with you, you know, just when you reach maintenance, life don't become hunky-dory. You still got to think and do things, and you still get hungry. Okay, bye. So I was thinking, I thought about, you know, in the past I did carnivore, and I was like, I wonder if people would be interested in me doing some, you know, I don't know, we'll say a month of carnivore. I thought about it, but then I'm like, how boring would those videos be? Got ground beef today. Got pork chop today. Got ground beef today. Got pork chop today. Pulled pork today. I don't know. That would be awfully boring. So I'm just checking. I was like, I wonder if that's something people would be interested in, me doing like a calorie a calorie focused of carnivore. But man, like I said, that'd be awful boring videos. I don't know about that. I'm just curious about what's y'all thoughts on it. Is there anybody who thinks that that'd be a fun like thing to try for a week or so, and then be like, okay, Terry, that's enough of that nonsense. Or anyway, what's your intake or input on that? I'm just curious. No promises, no plans, nothing in stone. Just seeking out your thoughts. Okay, bye. Hello. So lunch today is the pork that I had the marsala wine gravy in. Let's see what we think. Got some guacamole. Now, hang on. I'm going to put some of this on it today. So I'm just going to do a little bit on the top. Let's take a bite and see what we think with that on there. That's good. Everything but the bagel seasoning can make poop taste good. I know. That's too far, but still. Yep. My chaffles. I think this is the mushroom one. Yep. I heated them in the microwave, so they're not crispy, but you know me. I don't care about textures. And I got an apple. I'm going to save this for the end, so bye. That's my lunch. Listen, it is 3 o'clock. I am not hungry. My stomach is full. I have had plenty to eat today, but I'm just telling you, I bet my hormones, maybe my female hormones are going because I'm kind of like, and I haven't eaten anything different. Nothing else is different, so it's not, I've had an apple, but I've had an apple every day for a long time. But this week, today, it's kind of like, I drank this thing twice. This honkin' thing, it's a half a gallon. I drank it twice, so that means I drank a gallon. I'm not trying to waterlog myself, but I'm just trying to do something to entertain my mouth and my brain. So anyway, I just thought I'd tell you. Okay, bye. Let me tell you else something. I looked on my thing. I have 2,500 followers. Y'all, that about made me pee my pants. Just on Sunday, it was 2,100. And he's 2,500. 400 people or more are following me. Y'all just, you blow my mind. I don't understand it. But I thank you. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'll shut up now. Bye. We have ground beef in the microwave. We're going to have a salad with it tonight. I'm not going to weigh everything down. Again, it goes back to, I don't know how much those choppers were, so I'm just not even going to plug anything in. If I can't plug one thing in, I ain't plugging nothing in. And, we'll catch it up tomorrow. We'll look and see. We'll look and see what tomorrow brings. So I got me some cabbage here. I'm not even going to use that. And we're going to have us some cucumbers. Alrighty. What we got in here? We have us some shredded jicama. I'm telling y'all, jicama chaffles. It's the bee's knees. You should look into it if you're wanting a fun side, especially if you got kids or somebody who doesn't like vegetables. Do a jicama chaffle and sneak it in. Put a little butter on it or something. It's a shredded rutabaga. Put a little butter on it or something, and you will just be like, I don't know what you'll be, but you'll be something, by George. You're gonna be a something, by George. So somebody mentioned in the comments, I did my video the other day about how carnivore and keto has saved my life and my body parts, my fingers and toes. And somebody was saying that they didn't, they know that our ancestors didn't count calories or macros. And so we were having that discussion in the comments about how, no, they didn't have to count macros and stuff, but they didn't have food available 24/7, and they didn't jack up their metabolism by eating sugar. I used to sit down as a kid. Mom had that instant chocolate milk stuff. I used to sit down and eat that by the spoonfuls. And I used to take spoonfuls of sugar. I used to eat sweet pickles like they were going out of style. So our ancestors didn't necessarily have a messed up immune system like I do. So nope, they didn't have to count calories and macros. However, when you do a little something to your body, you might have to step in and count some macros. And just because other people aren't doing that particular thing doesn't mean you should be ashamed to do it. Like, just because some of the people we watch online don't count macros and carbs and calories and stuff, don't let that bother you, man. You do what you need to do because nobody else cares about you. Nobody else is going to do you but you. So you got to do what's best for you. And if that means going against what other people say, if that means counting carbs and calories or eating just meat and counting how much meat you're eating, if it means that, then by George, you do it, because you got to take care of yourself and for your own health. So that's my 2 cents about it. Because I followed along and did exactly what all those people were saying. Don't count this, don't count that. And it got me a 90-pound weight loss, but then it got me a 7-month stall, and I had to change. So don't be afraid to change things up. Okay, let me get the ground beef. Hang on. Look at this boy. We took the cone off for a little bit. Look at him. He looks so pitiful. That's where they shaved him to take off a tumor. And that's where they shaved his ear for his ear surgery. But he's doing better. Hold still. Let me see your ear, Bubba. Let us see your ear, Bubba. Might be upside down, but it's getting better. It is getting so much better. So, yay. We go see the doctor Friday. Loober-doober-doo. So, that's my boy. He's got his cone off only while I'm home for tonight. We'll see about later on. On the bright side, he'll be able to fit through the dog door on his own. Yay, Lou! Well, I don't know what I want to put on the ground beef. I think I'll do this. I'm going to go with some of the Indian flavors that Marnie introduced me to. So we'll put in a little bit of smoked paprika. We'll put in some ground coriander. We'll do some ground cumin. See, this is what I'm saying. If I did a week or month or whatever of carnivore, that's all you're gonna be seeing. Here's ground beef and here's some seasonings. That's ground garam masala. So that's all you'll be seeing if I do that. And we know I'm not going to do a variety of meat. We just know that about me. That was curry powder. This is ground ginger. We know I don't get all wild with my meat. And ground turmeric. So I'll be eating the same things every day. And you'll be like, Terry. And some salt. You'll be like, Terry, you know there's other things other than ground beef. Or other things other than pulled pork. And I'll be like, I know, but, I'm happy with what I'm eating. So, anyway, that's why I don't know that doing a week or month of carnivore would be very productive or exciting. Hang on, let's see what this tastes like. Okay. Now. flavors. This may sound weird, but it's very earthy. It's the only way I can describe it. And our salad here, it's kind of overflowing. I got a problem. I got too many vegetables. I love to eat. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, that's my supper. Have a good night.